that found that 4 out of 5 working Americans, and now I travel all over the world in a month, no, sorry, in 2.5 weeks I'll be in Japan. After that, in August, Marcy Shimoff and I go to China. If any of you know who Marcy is. Then after that, I go to Tel Aviv. Then after that, I go to Bali. You know, and I have traveled all over the world for the last number of years, and I see that all over the world, you know, the statistics, especially in third world countries, the statistics are even worse, right? Can you imagine what that means to the world, that 4 out of 5 people wake up not happy, not fulfilled, and not passionate? You know, is it any surprise that we read what we read and we see what we see and we turn on the television? You know, if you really want to go on a bummer, it's so easy, isn't it? You just turn on TV and you just sit there and watch the news. And if you sit there long enough, you really get to, you know, go into all of your misery. It's incredible. So what's so great about this is that, you know, you guys are going to be these conscious creators even more than you already are. But I got to tell you, the fact that you stepped out of your busy life, you walked into this room, you know, everybody said they had more going on than they needed, and you're here. What does that mean about you? I'll tell you what it means. It means that you're one of those 20%ers. You're a 20%er, which means that you are conscious. You are conscious. Now you're going to even get more conscious. You know, as you have more knowledge, you just expand. What do most people do? The 80%ers, they wake up in the morning, and you know them. They turn on their TV. They watch the news. They get in their car. They turn on the radio. They listen to the news. They get to work. They talk to everybody about the news.